thank you. It's incredibly important for us to reduce our weight if we're obese. So how are we going to do this? Well, there's a huge market for weight loss products. We spend $60 billion every year in America on weight loss products, including supplements, drugs, gym memberships, etc. But the obesity rate is still increasing. So between 1999 and 2016, the obesity rate increased from 30% to 36.5%. So obviously we are throwing this $60 billion in the toilet. But why aren't these drugs working? Well, in order to formulate a drug, you need a drug target. And until you understand the mechanism, you can't find the target to create the drug for. So our lab has been working on trying to figure out exactly the mechanism by which this diet can induce obesity and the subsequent insulin resistance. So we think one of the key middlemen is a protein called P62. P62 is implicated in many disease states. So our lab has showed that it's implicated in Alzheimer's disease. We know it's related to cancer, Paget's disease of bone, so a wide range of diseases. And a previous study showed that if you decrease the P62 protein level in adipose tissue alone, which is where we store our fat and where obesity is kind of first seen, it can cause diabetes and this obese phenotype all by itself. My research so far has suggested that if we feed mice this high-fat, high-sugar diet, then we can decrease P62. So this seems to implicate that there might be a link. But how are we going to figure this out for sure? Well, the next step is to increase P62 protein levels, specifically in the adipose tissue of mice, through some genetic manipulation, and feed them this high-fat, high-sugar diet. So hopefully, this will result in lean mice and prevent the obese and insulin-resistant phenotype. Now, if this works, then we'll know that we have a potential for a drug target as well as helping clear up the mechanism. Thank you.